Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to Mystery Infinity, your go-to place for diving into the wonders of our universe. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary adventure, one that takes us beyond our blue skies, straight to our celestial neighbor the Moon. But this isn't just any lunar tale. We're about to unravel the enigmatic story of how our Moon came to be. It's a tale filled with cosmic collisions, mystery, and a bit of moon magic. Now, you might think you know the Moon, gazing up at it on a clear night, but trust me, there's so much more to its story than just being Earth's loyal sidekick. So, get ready to zoom out of our earthly confines and into the depths of space. We're about to explore a story that's billions of years in the making, and it's going to be a wild ride. Buckle up, grab your favorite space snack, and let's get started on this lunar journey. A Moon's Tale begins. Imagine we could travel back in time, way back to over 4 billion years ago. The solar system was like a wild cosmic nursery, a place where planets were just starting to take shape. Among this celestial chaos, our young Earth was hanging out, probably thinking about growing up to be a cool planet. But then, out of nowhere, it had a massive surprise visitor, a Mars-sized rock star named Theia. Now, Theia wasn't just passing by to say hello. Nope, it decided to crash the party in a spectacular fashion. This collision wasn't your typical fender bender, it was more like a cosmic demolition derby. Picture this. Two massive space objects, Earth and Theia, colliding with such force that it would make any Hollywood movie explosion look like a firecracker. From this incredible crash, something amazing happened. It wasn't just a disaster, it was the birth of something new. The impact was so intense that it threw a bunch of debris into orbit around Earth. Imagine Earth wearing a ring, but instead of diamonds, it's made of rock and cosmic dust. Pretty stylish, right? But here's the twist: this ring of space rubble didn't just float around Earth forever. Over time, it began to come together, bonding over their shared experience of being space debris. And what did they become? You guessed it, our Moon. That's right, our Moon is like the child of Earth and Theia, a cosmic souvenir from one of the most dramatic events in our planet's history. The aftermath of impact. After the Earth-Theia cosmic crash, our planet found itself wearing a flashy new accessory, a ring of debris. Think of it as Earth's temporary bling, made up of rock, dust, and all the remnants of this space collision. It's like the aftermath of a galactic party gone wild, with pieces of Earth and Theia scattered all around. But here's where things get really interesting. This wasn't just a messy aftermath, it was the beginning of something incredible. In space, leftovers don't just float around aimlessly. They're kind of social. They start coming together, drawn by their mutual gravity. Imagine a bunch of space rocks deciding to team up, like, hey, let's stick together and make something cool. And that's exactly what they did. Over time, these pieces, big and small, began to merge, forming a larger body. It's like they were all pieces of a puzzle, slowly but surely finding their way to fit together. This process wasn't a quick one, though. It took a lot of cosmic time and patience, a bit like waiting for your favorite pizza to be delivered, except it takes a few million years. As this celestial gathering went on, something familiar took shape. Yes, our beloved Moon was born from this chaos. You could say the Moon is like Earth's child, made from its own flesh and a bit of Theia's. Or, think of it as Earth's little sidekick, created from borrowing, or rather, inheriting, material from its parent. It's almost like the Moon looked at Earth and said, I'll take some of that, thank you very much, and started its own journey in the night sky. Mysteries unveiled. So, our Moon is not just any ordinary moon. In the grand scheme of celestial bodies, it's kind of a big deal, literally. Compared to Earth, the Moon is unusually large. Most moons in our solar system are like the quiet neighbors of their planets, but not our Moon. It's more like Earth's outspoken, almost twin sibling. This size mystery has had scientists scratching their heads for years. It's like finding a basketball and a tennis ball together and realizing they're siblings. You can't help but wonder, how did that happen? Now, let's put on our detective hats and look closer at the Moon's composition. When scientists analyzed moon rocks brought back by the Apollo missions, they found something startling. The Moon's rocks were eerily similar to Earth's. It's like discovering your long-lost twin has the same taste in music as you. This was a big clue in understanding where the Moon came from. It suggested that the moon didn't just form randomly, it was born from Earth itself during that dramatic cosmic collision. But there's a twist in this lunar detective story. While the moon shares many similarities with Earth, it also has some differences, particularly in its mantle. It's a bit like finding out your twin sibling is allergic to peanuts, but you're not. These differences give us clues about how the moon formed after the impact. It's like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle of the universe, where every rock tells a part of the story. These clues have helped scientists build a picture of the moon's mysterious past. But even with this information, the moon keeps some of its secrets tightly locked away. It's a celestial body that's both familiar and incredibly enigmatic, a constant reminder of the universe's capacity for wonder and surprise. Just when we think we've figured it all out, the moon winks at us and whispers, there's more to the story. The moon's influence. The moon isn't just a pretty face in our night sky. It's been Earth's loyal companion, influencing our home planet in ways that might surprise you. Let's start with the tides. Ever wondered why the ocean waves hello twice a day? You can thank the moon for that. The moon's gravitational pull is like an invisible string, tugging at Earth's waters, causing high and low tides. It's like the moon is playing a cosmic game of tug-of-war with the oceans, and we get to see the results at the beach. But the moon's influence goes beyond making waves. It's played a crucial role in how life evolved on Earth. Some scientists believe that the tides caused by the moon may have helped life transition from the oceans to land. It's like the moon was the ultimate wingman for life, setting up the perfect conditions for life's big move. Culturally, the moon has been a superstar throughout human history. It's inspired countless myths, legends, and even guided ancient calendars. In many cultures, the moon is more than just a celestial body. It's a character in their stories, a symbol of love, mystery, or even a harbinger of change. It's like the moon has been the muse for humanity, sparking imaginations and storytelling for millennia. From guiding sailors at sea to being the subject of romantic poems, the moon's been there, silently shaping our world and our views. It's not just Earth's satellite. It's a cultural icon, a natural wonder, and a key player in the story of our planet. The moon might not say much, but its silent influence has been loud and clear throughout history, making it an unsung hero in our journey through the cosmos. Unraveling lunar mysteries. Just when we thought we had the moon all figured out, space agencies around the world said, "Hold my telescope," and launched a bunch of missions to uncover more lunar secrets. These missions are like cosmic detectives, each with their own set of tools, snooping around the moon's surface and digging into its past. They're not just there for a space selfie, they're on a mission to unravel the mysteries of our lunar neighbor. One of the coolest things these missions are doing is looking for water. Yes, you heard that right, water on the moon. It's like finding out your dry, barren backyard might actually have a hidden sprinkler system. This discovery is huge because where there's water, there might be, just maybe, the potential for life or at least a pit stop for future human explorers. These missions are also trying to understand the moon's geological history. They're examining craters, rocks, and even lunar dust. It's like being a space archaeologist, looking for clues to piece together the moon's past. Every rock and crater tells a story, and these missions are there to listen. It's not just about understanding the moon for the sake of it. It's about understanding our own planet and the entire solar system. So, what's next in our lunar exploration? Well, the moon still holds many secrets, waiting to be discovered. With future missions planned and new technologies being developed, who knows what mysteries we'll uncover. Maybe we'll find more clues about the moon's formation, or perhaps we'll stumble upon something entirely unexpected. The moon has been Earth's silent partner for billions of years, but it seems like it still has a lot to say. The adventure continues, and each discovery is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, just waiting for us to look up and explore. And that, my fellow space explorers, is the story of our magnificent moon, a tale of cosmic collisions, mysteries, and the incredible impact on our very own Earth. If you found this lunar journey as mind-blowing as a meteor shower, why not share it with your friends? Let them join in on the awe-inspiring adventure through the stars. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future explorations into the fascinating facts and stories from history, science, and beyond. Your thoughts and theories are always welcome, so drop a comment below and join the conversation. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, with Mystery Infinity, The universe is just a click away. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.